Just a quick video of the swap in the 01 GT with the 02 Lightning motor. Just got it tuned yesterday. Basic stock, still has a stock pulley, upper. It just has shorty headers on it. Made 364 horse and 424 something for it, something like that. This is just a shot of the Lightning. A lot of people thought I pulled the motor out of Lightning. It's actually here. It's running. Just checking out the dummy gauges. Got a loud data feed hooked up to it. Oh, about 169 temperature. Timing's about 18 to 20, but of course some boost kicks in, it sets back. Missed the camming, but I'll take the torque and charger over that any day. Got to look for a hood now. 02 Lightning boosted, 01 GT Lightning motor boosted.